In this video, we'll demonstrate two different methods of template design, both of which deliver reports either automatically or on demand, and publish them in a variety of formats. First, we'll select a template from a pre-built list and adapt it to our tags and schedule with the template library. Then we'll take a look at the Template Studio, which delivers highly customized templates, harnessing the full capabilities of Excel and XLReporter's industry-focused functions. The first method of template design that we'll take a look at is using the template library, which can be opened from the Home tab of the Project Explorer. In the library, we'll select a template from a pre-built list and then adapt it to our process tags and schedule. So the first step is selecting a template to start with. Let's take a look at the History Values template. The first step is giving the template a name. Then we select a connector. Next, set the reporting method. With on-demand reporting, there's no further configuration required because the process tags and the time period for the report are set at runtime. So let's take a look at scheduled reporting. The next step with scheduled reporting is setting the content of the template. First and foremost, this means we'll pick the tags from the process that we'll include in the report. Then we can set captions which appear above each tag column, and a title that appears at the top of the report worksheet. The next step is setting a schedule for the report. By default, this will show hourly values on daily worksheets and collate those worksheets into monthly report workbooks. These settings can be changed easily. For example, if we wanted to do daily values over the month and collate the monthly sheets into an annual workbook, we could do that as well. Or we could make each monthly report its own file. Here, though, I'll stick with the default of hourly values over the day. The final step is setting publishing options for the report. By default, all reports are produced as Excel workbooks, but other options can be added now or after the template's been created. Each option enabled in this step will add an action into the project's schedule. For more information on report scheduling, see our video on the scheduler. Now let's take a look at the second method of template design, the Template Studio. And we'll do that by opening up the template we created in the library inside the studio. When designing templates in the studio, there are multiple steps just like in the library. First, design the layout of the template. And that can be done using the standard tools of Excel or XLReporter's Content Designer, which makes it easy to add elements to the report like headers, summary tables, conditional formatting, and charts. Use Connect to define which data connector is providing data to the report and where it will be placed. Connections can be defined by relative time periods like the current day or month, or variable time periods if the report's on demand. In on-demand reports, use the Interactive Designer to specify how the user will set the variables that are used in creating the report. For scheduled reports, report names define the naming convention of worksheets and workbooks in the output. Finally, the schedule defines how the report will be produced automatically and in which formats it's published. For more information, visit us online at www.scitech.com.